Class 9th, Chapter 1st, The Lost Child, Supplementary Book. In this story of a child who is just attracted with the things, the worldly things. He is looking in the fair. Fair means it was a blessed fair, and it has been held in the season of spring on any festival. So story is very simple here. A child goes to a fair with his parents as you go. He is happy and excited. Who is happy and excited? The child is happy and excited and wants the sweets and toys displayed there. Means he was looking. But his parents, they don't buy them for him. Means they are not ready to buy the things for their children. Why then does he refuse when someone else offer them to him? But in the end, it happens that someone else, he wanted to give him, means that child, all the things he wanted before, he wanted to take before, but now he refuses. Why? It was the festival of spring. Means festival of spring, or you can say that after winter, it was the season of spring also. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys, alleys means the group of people, emerged a gaily clad humanity. Gaily means happy, clad means full of noise, humanity means human beings. Some walked, some they were walking, some rode on horses, others sat, being carried in bamboo and bullock carts, means in different means of transportation, the people they were reaching in the fair. One little boy ran between his father's legs. A boy, he was running between his father's legs. Brimming means he was overjoyed. Brimming over means overjoyed with life and laughter. Means all the things, means at this age you can imagine, and for a little child, everything it was full of excitement. Come child, come, called his parents. His parents they called, come child, come this way. As he lagged behind. Lagged behind means he just left behind. Fascinated means attracted by the toys in the shops that lined the way. He hurried towards his parents. Hurriedly, he ran to his parents when they called. His feet obedient to their call. His feet means child feet. They were obedient to their means parents' call. His eyes still lingering on the receding toys. But his eyes, they were not obedient at all. They were just lingering on the receding toys means displaying toys. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him. As he came means child, he just came there to where they means parents had stopped to wait him. He could not suppress the desire of his heart. He was unable to stop the desire, the wish of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. Even he knew it. The old means that way only, since before parents had scolded him. Cold stare means they were not shouting at all. They were not saying in a loud voice at all. It was a cold stare of refusal, means they were denying for everything. In their means parents' eyes. I want that toy. He pleaded. Pleaded means requested. What he requested? That he wanted to take that toy. His father looked at him red-eyed. Means he was not happy. As the child, he was demanding a toy. In his family, a tyrant means very terrible way. His mother melted, but his mother, she melted. By the free spirit of the day was tender, means it was the soft, and giving him her finger to hold, said, look child, what is before you? And what did she say? Dekho, what is before you? It was a flowering mustard field, and before him it was a flowering mustard field. It was the season of spring, and in the spring season in the fields there are mustard field. It means a yellow mustard field, flowering mustard, pale like melting gold. It was in pale yellow color like melting gold, as it swept across miles and miles of heaven land. A group of dragonflies. Dragonflies means a name of insect. Were bustling about on their gaudy purple wings. They were just bustling means they were just moving here and here with their purple wings, intercepting the flight of a lone black bee. And they were intercepting. Who? Dragonflies were intercepting means they were interrupting the flight. Flight means group of lone black bee or butterfly in search of sweetness from the flowers. The child followed them. Them means who? Child means that child we are talking about. Followed means he began to chase. Them means the dragonflies, butterflies and the insects. In the air with his gaze. Gaze means look. Till one of them means he did not run at all. With his gaze means he was looking at them. Till one of them would still its wings and rest. Till one of them means one of insect would still its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it. Child, he try to catch it. To try to catch it, the means he was trying to catch the butterfly, but it go fluttering. But butterfly he could not catch, flapping up into the air. Butterfly it just fly in the air. When he had almost caught it in his hands, then his mother gave a cautionary call. Cautionary means instructory call. Come child, come on to the footpath. Again she said to come to their way only. He ran towards his parents gaily, happily, and walked abreast of them for a while, being however soon left behind. And after some time he again left behind, attracted by the little insects and worms. Now he was attracted with the insects. Means what you are understanding here, that each and everything on the way, mustard field, insect, butterflies, worms, dragonflies, bee, everything, it was attracting him. Twice also along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunrise. Attracted, again insected with little insects along the footpath that were teeming out means they were coming out from their hiding places, means since before insect they were hiding under the ground. Why they were hiding means it was the season of cold winter, and that is why all the insect animals they just take the shelter. Come child, come, his parents called from the shade of a grove. Grove means a group of trees where it becomes shade, where they had seated themselves on the edge of a bell. Bell means the water resource. He ran towards them. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child. Means when he was running from that group, the shower of means number of young flowers. Young flowers means the new flowers fell upon the child as he entered the grove. As he entered the group of that trees or the bushes. And forgetting his parents, now he forget his parents. He began to gather, he began to collect the raining petals in his hands. But lo, what he heard? The cooing of doves, means things after things, means one after another. He heard the cooing of doves and ran towards his parents, shouting, the dove, the dove, the dove, you know, a name of bird. It is some little with pigeon and it is of white color. The raining petals dropped from his forgotten hands. Come child, come, they called. Means parents called to the child who had now gone running in wild capers. Who means child had now gone running in wild capers round the banyan tree. And gathering him, they took the narrow, winding footpath which lead to the fair through the mustard field. Means parents from where they were going, and child he was also following his parents, but he was also fascinated with the things they were coming in his way.